Shiba Inu is all back with some profits around, securing the top spot among the leading ERC20 tokens despite the latest fall in price. Shiba Inu has managed to cut recent losses, peaking over 15% in last 24 hours to an intraday high of 5,196 Satoshi units. But will this bull trend continue? Is this a good entry point to buy more? Why did a crypto investor sell his apartment to buy more Shiba Inu in the hope to become a millionaire? All these questions will be answered today. We will also check the major price boosting catalyst ahead in this ending year. So stick around for that because today's video is full of exciting updates. So let's get started. Shiba Inu price was in a very dangerous state recently when it broke below the support level at 440 Satoshi units. There was panic and despair in the crypto market with most Shiba Inu holders starting to doubt their investment. Fortunately, the bulls reversed the downtrend today and Shiba Inu is all back with over 15% profit, which gives temporary relief to Shiba investors. People are relying their lifetime saving on Shiba Inu. Many SHIB investors have taken a millionaire dip in the recent uptrend. The cryptocurrency has seen its price shoot up this year, so much so that at 1.1 investor who bet $8,000 on the cryptocurrency saw the value of the investment surge to $5.7 billion before the token's price started dropping. Interesting, right? What are your holdings now? How much profit or loss are you currently into? Let's discuss this in the comment section down below. Moving further, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency has become the biggest ERC20 tokens holding among the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets. And it's not a joke anymore with a total value of over $2.37 billion. After flipping the Bitpan ecosystem token and OKEX's OKB, the meme coin is currently leading the modest recovery of the cryptocurrency market along with Avalanche. But still, Shiba Inu is still 45% down from its all-time high at press time. On November 18, it comes close to slipping below the $0.004 level, hitting its lowest level this month. But why we have so many believers that are still investing their life savings in Shiba Inu? Yes, this is true. Recently, a crypto investor sold his apartment to buy more Shiba Inu in this recent price dip. He strongly believed that this investment will make him a millionaire for sure. He revealed that he had sold his apartment for 4 million Shiba Inu tokens, hoping that the meme-inspired cryptocurrency will rally in the future to allow them to become a billionaire. No one knows if Shiba will hit 1 cent in near future, but according to us, putting all your eggs in one bucket is always a risk. As per Elon Musk, cryptocurrency is the future, but one should not put all his life saving into it. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comment section down below. Not only this, whales are also buying dips in massive. According to Watcher Guru, the recent pullback of Shiba Inu meme token might have inflated concern in some trading communities, but the large cryptocurrency market professionals, also known as whales, do not seem to be worried about the recent price action. However, there is another biggest news for Shiba Inu holders, that Shiba Inu becomes largest ERC20 holding among top 1000 ETH wallets. Yes, as per the tweet done by Wallstate, Shiba Inu breaks the smaller altcoin to regain its top among the most popular ERC20 tokens. But still, the major question that is in everyone's mind is, will SHIB hit 1 cent? To hit 1 cent is difficult but not impossible. What if we reduce the token supply and burn massive tokens? Well, in that way, it is possible to cut few zeros out of its price or even hit 1 cent. Recently, we got an update from Satoshi, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, about another massive burn project coming this last quarter of 2021. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.